Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A young man was traveling on aeroplane. He did not believe in God. He did not believe in Allah. He did not believe any religion. But he often wondered, who is the creator of this universe? Who is the creator of this world? Who is the creator of this sun? Who is the creator of this moon? Who is the creator of this sky? Who is the creator of this earth? Who is the creator me? So one day he meet a Muslim scholar in aeroplane. The young man asked from Muslim scholar, if you allow me, I ask you something. The Muslim scholar replied, yes, go ahead. The young man said, you believe in Allah, even though you never seen him. How can someone believe in something without seeing it? The Muslim scholar answered, there are many things in this world. There are many things in universe that we cannot see him because it is sign. The young man said, please explain me with any example. The Muslim scholar asked from the young man, who are you? The young man answered, I am a doctor. The Muslim scholar said, you are doctor. Please tell me, how do you know when a patient has diabetes? The young man said, by the symptoms. The Muslim scholar said, if your patient say you, Mr. Doctor, where is sugar? Please show me the sugar in my blood. So, can you show it him? The young man said, it is not possible. Sugar is not seen. The Muslim scholar saw sugar not seen him, yet you believe in them because it is sign. In the same way, Allah is not seen. Allah is not seen our eyes. Allah is not seen His universe. The countless signs in this universe prove His existence. So why don't you believe in Allah? My all friends from UK, USA, Germany, Canada, I hope today's story beneficial for you. Inshallah, I will continue to share more stories like this in future. And last, my message for you, I request you in your life only one time, open the Quran and read it. Inshallah, after read the Quran, your heart will be clean. Inshallah, after read the Quran, your mind will be clean. Your think will be clean. So take care of yourself. Take care of your parents. Take care your of all family members. May Allah protect you